Posible ba na nga first client nga ni hire nimo 150,000 dayon, 6 figures income dayon. Does that happen? Hello everyone and welcome back to the Road to VA Life with Lisa. I'm Lisa and I have been navigating the freelancing and virtual assistant industry for 20 years. 2 decades. 20 years na ko, anniversary ko karon nga year. Hala tigulong na di ay ko no. Bitaw oy, di kabayaran ako nga experiences guys, dili gyud. Walay sama, walay substitute sa experience and lessons that you learn along the way. I will bank on that statement nga walay substitute. Okay, so with my 20-year track record, I'm here to share resources and more importantly, to warn you about the landmines that most influencers are too polite to mention. Katong mga virtual assistants o mga freelancers nga successful, mga 6-figure income earner na sila, maybe they're not sharing this with you, but I will tell you the truth and I will share it with you. Ang katong mga ipangtaguan nila. Kay maybe they have a course to sell to you and they want to also sell you the VA life nga aesthetic kaayo, okay? So, konsultian ka sa tinuod kung unsa jud ang panginabuhi sa virtual assistant or freelancer basin ma-discourage ka, di ba? But for me, I will tell you the truth. Di ti kasultian na, uy, it's so nice, promise, 6-figure income dayon after 3 months. Dili ti kasultian ana, okay? I will not do this to you kay basin ma-disappointed ka. I will set your expectations that for you to actually get to 6 figures, you also need to do the following, okay? You need to have a 6-figure income mindset. You have to have a 6-figure income habits. Kaya ka ng habit building, no? Boring ba yan na? Day after day, the same routine. So if you want to have 6-figure income, you need to have 6-figure income habits, okay? Make it predictable. You need to have 6-figure income discipline. And then, as you're leveling up your skills, you need 6-figure income na service value. And finally, 6-figure income social proof or portfolio or the positioning of yourself in the VA or freelancing job market. Okay? Screenshot dayon. Putang na ko diri sa screen ang katong mga kinahanglan nimo para naa kay 6-figure income. Sabot? Okay. So, needless to say, walay shortcut. Okay? Walay shortcut. If katong imong nakita nga nagpost og, I landed my first client and 150,000 agad ang monthly sweldo ko. Okay? Pangutana, does this really happen? Posible ba na nga first client nga ni hire nimo 150,000 dayon, 6 figures income dayon. Does that happen? Yes, it does. It does happen. I had a client who hired me on the spot and 6 figures iyang gi-offer diretso. I took the client's offer, I delivered the goods. Writer ko ato na time and he needed help with a book he was publishing, but after nahuman ako ang book, he also let me go. Therefore, I conclude na when you get offers that are high price like this, they are less likely to last long term. Okay? Kay gamita imong utok. If ikaw ang client, would you pay a newbie 120,000 pesos every month and maintain them in your business for 1 to 2 years? Mugas jud ka og ihuna nga kwarta para sa usa ka newbie 120,000 pesos imong isweldo sa bag-uhay ng virtual assistant. Sige daw. Dili siguro gamit common sense. You should set your expectations na if you are new to the VA world, your rates will be at the basic level. Maybe $3 to $5 siguro is a comfortable expectation of the rate. Then you can work your way up. So in this video, this is what I will show you how to do para confident kang mag-offer og higher and higher rate as you acquire more skills and experience. Kay walay laing mo prangka ninyo, walay mo sulti sa tinuod. So ako na lang. This is for good karma kay para inigtanaw ninyo sa akong videos ba, you'll decide with your full heart and mind kung ang VA life is really for you. Okay, I'm gonna help you decide. Right? Take note, it is not a walk in the park but there are tons of perks. Ayan. I know a single VA job can be the rescue boat for a whole family from poverty. Kay tinuod jud ni, kugihan na VA equals happy clients equals happy family. Okay, tinuod na siya. Tarang formula. Kugihan nga VA equals happy clients equals happy family. Pero pangutana, nganong na may mga VAs out there na pila ka years na nag-work and they are still stuck at $2 per hour? Na? Yes, na. So today we're talking about one of the biggest traps that VAs fall into, the negotiation trap. So let's be real about the negotiation trap. If you are constantly bargaining with a client over your hourly rate, you are already losing. So kung sige na mo hangyo-hangyo, wala na, pili na ka. Kung first pa lang ninyo storya sa interview or discovery call, mutawad na si client sa imong rate, muana na siya, pwede ingon ano lang, paubsa na to. Ha? Kung magkatawad na siya, you are already losing. Do not fall for that trap. So my rule is simple. Do not negotiate. And the only way to stop a client from haggling with you is to show your pricing upfront. Ngano asa man na nato ibutang atong pricing o atong rate. So I see so many newbie VAs hiding their rates. Dili nila i-show sa ilang website portfolio or sa ilang mga offer page. Ngano man, because they're scared. They think that, what if dili mo hire si client nako basin mahalan siya nako. But here is the reality. If a client starts haggling and sigig hangyo from the first call, likay na sila. Okay? Based on my experience, those are the clients who will give you the most lambad sa ulo later on. Sila ang sigig petty complain sa imuhang hours, ilang sukit-sukiton ang imuhang mga report, ilang sukit-sukiton ang mga hours nga imong gilag nga nag-work ka. Okay? Sukit-sukiton nila ang imuhang work output. Okay, dili you will not attain peace in your career if you have to work with clients like those. Very toxic people. On the other hand, look at the clients who don't negotiate. They are decisive, they are easy to communicate with, and most importantly, they can actually afford to maintain your services. And to maintain your services for long term, mo man natong tuyo. Kaya nga long term ta, ikip sa client sa ilang business. So to attract them, to attract clients like those, you need to have your own territory positioning. So how do you have your own territory? How do you do this? Create a portfolio or a resume website on Canva. Daghan kay template dito, gamita lang, fill in the blanks. You can even publish it for free sa Canva, to my knowledge. Or if you want something different nga dili lang sa Canva, you can go to Behance, you can go to Dribbble or Contra. Okay? Just Google it. There are so many free platforms where you can showcase your profile and your rates. Yes, I specifically said show your rates. Ipakita imuhang presyo. Use your website to filter the clients na dili ka afford mo maintain sa imuhang services. Kung di sila ka afford sa imuhang rate, let them filter themselves. Ayaw na lang sila pakunta ka ninyo. Ano na lang, like, ay, mahal man di, ay, di ko ka-afford. Natural. Because maybe they're still building their businesses. Maybe dili pa sila kaabot og inguna nga level of overhead expenses for having a team. And that is okay because they are in their own journey. What you want to attract are the clients who can actually afford you. And how do you attract those kinds of clients? You put your rates on your website. You put your rates on your portfolio. Make it public. Okay? Let your website do the screening for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Maybe mo anak ko, Lisa, what if no one hires me? Well, if ka na imuhang mindset karon, then tinuod yun, wala mo hire nimo. Here's what I can say to that. Friend, ayaw pagpuyo sa what if. You are stuck in the mindset of desperation. Batik na siyang energy. Okay? Instead, you ask yourself, how do I transform my mindset and my skills? Para si client, dili makaagwanta nga dili mo hire nako. Okay? Tagai si client og offer nga dili niya ma-refuse. Be so good with your skills and be so confident with your competencies na inig-present nimo sa imong offer and sa imong rate. Si client is like, shut up and take my money. But balik ta sa basic. If nagsugod pa ka, it's okay to set your expectations at around $3 to $5 USD per hour. Humble mode lang sa ta. Normal na sa sugod. So unsaon man nimo nga dili ka ma-stuck at a low rate for hundreds of years. Here is the secret. Make it a quarterly habit to reassess yourself. So unsa man ang every quarter, every 3 months tulo ka buwan. Every 3 months pag schedule og event sa imong calendar. Go to Google Calendar, iset siya nga maghimo ka og event that recurs every 3 months. So when you get a notification on your email or your phone to reassess yourself and your rate, stop and look at your skills, your availability, and your competence as a virtual assistant or freelancer. Okay? Decide if it is time to raise your rates. If you can prove to yourself na, deserving na ko ani nga rate kay mas taas na ako ang level. Makaton ko kani bago nga AI kani siya nga coding uban pa, di ba? So if you assess yourself and you realize nga, uy, naman din na puno nga skills ako then go ahead and update your website and freelancer accounts nga mausab nang imuhang hourly rate. Then, upload or post the kudos from your client so you can also create case study pages and infographics about how you help a client scale their business. Okay, kinahanglan na social proof, di ba? On your portfolio or your online resume, even adding the logos of the newly learned apps and tools, kuha lang ang katong logo ba, iplastar na sa imong website. Kung bag-uhay ka nagkataon og lead pages or active campaign or go high level or unsa pa nang bag-o nga tool, grab the logo of that app and put that on your website or portfolio to show your competency sa lain-lain nga apps, di ba? Mao ra gyud ni, every 3 months you set an alarm on your Google Calendar nga mo send og notification or mo send og email nimo. Make it a habit to grow and to show evidence of your growth so you can justify your higher rate. Okay? Don't stay stuck in the same place you were 3 months ago. You have to evolve to survive and thrive in this industry. If you don't grow, your rate will not grow either. Ana lang. So ayog demand og higher rate kung wa sa kay ika-offer nga higher value. Don't let the fear of rejection keep you from your true worth. Okay, I hope nakatabang ni nga video. If naa kay friend na VA or freelancer na ubos kaayo og rate gihapon kay talawan mo offer og higher rate, share this video with them. Until next time on the road to VA life, keep growing. I will see you in the next video.